How to add WhatsApp number in Facebook Marketplace. So if you want to add WhatsApp number in Facebook Marketplace, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Facebook application. Now go with the three horizontal lines which is on the bottom, and then go with settings or the gear shaped icon which is on the top right. This will take you to settings and privacy. Now just scroll down until you find the option of access your information. Or if you don't find it right here, then just go with the account center, tap on the account center. And from the account center, you'll have an option of your information and permissions, tap on it. And from here, you will find access your information. Tap on access your information. And now tap on contact information. If you find contact information and then you access your information, tap on it. Or you can also just go back and then just tap on your profile. From your profile, you need to go with the right side, which has that three dots right here. Tap on it. And from here, you will have edit option. Tap on edit. And it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to scroll down and then go with edit your about info, which will be on the bottom. Tap on it and this will take you to the about info. Now once you're here, you'll have the contact information, right? Now here you need to add your phone number. You can add it from the contact info action. And once you've added your phone number, it will be saved in your Facebook Marketplace. Make sure to add the phone number, which is linked with your WhatsApp. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.